Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again to Describing by Ibrahim. So you can notice around me, they are students of Hifz Madrasa having beautiful moment. It is afternoon time. So they are on a roof and I am having my time with them. So after celebrating Eid-ul-Fitr 2026 with their friends, families, relatives, today they have come at Madrasa, but they are, you know that now they are not a good time because they remember the beautiful time what they made with their families, relatives, and friends. So I am trying to make them happy. That's the reason I am making these videos. So I hope that they are now happy. But you know that when they come from house, they remind, and it reminds them that they made a beautiful time with their families. So many of them is still absent. They didn't come yet because they are still having beautiful time with their families. I can say maybe more than 30 students didn't come yet, but they have come as soon as possible and started reciting Holy Quran. You know that they are Hifz student. Their duties is recitation, the holy book of Islam. So I am having this beautiful afternoon on the roof, amazing place. It is Madrasa roof. So you can notice down this place, amazing place. So goodbye, take care.